Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay with a Venmo QR code. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com right here, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the homepage. And if you're on your mobile phone, just download the application. So go ahead and download the Venmo app, and once you have done so, now we can get started. First thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and create a new one, register for an account by clicking Get Venmo on your application. Just go ahead and proceed with the steps to open up an account. So once you've gotten your account, we can log in. After you have logged in, you'll be greeted by the homepage that looks like this. In your application, this is going to be your homepage, from where we can access all the sections such as the home section. We have our card section, crypto, and account settings. And now we can get started. Basically guys, if you want to get started with paying with a QR code, it's very easy. Here at the bottom of the page, as you can see in the sections menu, we can take a look at the middle of the page. There is a pay or request option. So by clicking pay, you will be able to give them the option to go ahead and pay, either inputting their link, or if you want, you can scan their QR code. So you can click the scan QR code option to scan the QR code of the recipient on Venmo that you can then send the money to. If you want somebody else to scan your QR code so they can send money to you, what you can do is go into your sections for your account settings right here in the bottom of the page, bottom right corner. Click on the account settings. This is your account profile picture. Click on it, and it's going to open up this menu where one of the options in your profile picture, as you can see in the circle, is going to be this QR code option. So you can go ahead and click the QR code option, and by clicking the QR code option, it's going to go ahead and give you your QR code that you can use for getting paid with Venmo. So that's how you can either pay somebody using a QR code or get paid with a QR code, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.